Hi, I'm Barbie.
I'm Ken.
And together we are
Barbie and Ken on the road again.
Here we are leaving the gorgeous Solly Winery. Today is a travel day. We have a good 4-hour trip to Kentucky.
And fuel stop.
Oh, yes. And fuel stop.
In 800 feet, turn left onto Harrison Road.
And we are going to be staying 2 nights in Kentucky on the Kentucky River. This property is just really spectacular. Whoops. The roof was getting scratched with a branch, but that happens. What's the matter? Is something a problem for you? My goodness gracious. What is the problem? I don't know, Gamma, I think finally knows she can see out the window down there, I'm not sure. But she just all of a sudden got so upset. What's the matter, baby girl? Gamma's deaf. But we talked to her anyway, and that sensor on her is her glucose sensor, so we can check her blood sugar. So right now we are going through Rocky Top, Tennessee. For all of you Tennessee fans out there, it's kind of one of my favorite songs to dance around to. And we were just playing Dolly Parton's version of Rocky Top. And so I'm going to embarrass myself and sing a little bit of it for you. Rocky Top, you'll always be home sweet home to me. Good old Rocky Top, Tennessee. Is Kenny laughing at me?
What did you do with the money your mother gave you for singing lessons?
Here we are in Kentucky, trying to get to the Kentucky River campground. And the road narrows as if it's one way, but it isn't. It's a 2-way road, but it's only us that sits on it right now, so hopefully nobody comes the other way. Be pretty down here once we make it.
This is our site at the Kentucky River Campground in Franklin, Kentucky. It's a small little campground, but it's really in great shape. People are so friendly here. A little hot today, probably in the 90s. Dawn gates up. We're out of here tomorrow. We've only been here. We're going to be here for 2 nights and heading to Indiana to get the Rev Group. Look at this. This is a pretty cool little site. Concrete patio. And there's this beautiful little deck out back. Table and chairs. I do have cable, which we did not hook up. Table and chairs. You can sit out here and you can overlook the Kentucky River. They had some massive flooding down here in February. So if you look, the water is very brown. I was told that it takes a long time for the mud to finally settle down and have the river return back to normal. In the middle of the campground, on one side, they have a nice play area for the kids. On the other side, they have this beautiful pavilion with a big fireplace inside, and they also do cornhole and get-togethers. I was talking to one of the regular seasonal campers here next to us, and he was saying that it takes a while to be able to get one of the sites along the river. The place is about 90% seasonal. There was only one camp spot, that's ours right there, on the river. that they save for transients. The rest is all seasonals. People are very, very friendly here. They will do anything for you. It's a great place to go. I really liked it here.
This is the tightest spot we've had so far. Again, a gorgeous spot with a really nice deck out back here in Kentucky. But in order for Kenny to get out, because there's a drain ditch right there that we don't think will hold the weight of the bus to be able to pull around, he is going to cut across the grass here and then loop around this way, and then he's got to get up the big hill. More to come. So there goes Kenny across. Looks like the grass is holding him no problem at all. The folks that come here all the time said it shouldn't be a problem. He has just to make his way around a Jeep over there. Right, he made the turn there. There's the truck I'm gonna hop in as soon as I get done, so I can follow him so we can get hooked up for travel. And here we go. This is the tricky part. So we don't hit anybody's buses or golf carts. Alright, now he's going up the hill. Oh my goodness, look at him go. He's getting really good at this. Unfortunately, this beautiful little campground had the really big flood back in February where everyone had to totally evacuate. And this little house here, which is their office, laundry, all of that, was flooded up to the second story. And this is up on the hill, and we were down there. So you can only imagine how bad this flood was. Okay, so we made it out of the Kentucky River campground. Okay, now we're on this road made for one vehicle essentially, but it's two ways, and we've got about 1.5 miles of this until we get to the main road. But I gotta say that this campground was just lovely. The people were fabulous. They all want us to come back.
Turn left.
So they all want us to come back. Agree, Ben?
Yeah, in fact, I was talking to Chuck there, the manager. He said you should just call now and make a reservation, and that way we'll guarantee to have that spot on the river.
Oh, well, it was lovely, that's for sure. Okay. I gotta say, babe, you killed it over there. You were amazing. You're becoming a total professional at this.
Well, I wouldn't go that far.
Well, thank goodness.
When doing a Corvette's day coming up here on this windy road, you just gotta go slow.
Oh, well.
Route recalculation.
Siri's all confused. Too many twists and turns for Siri. So we're in this cute little town of Owenton in Kentucky, and we just drove through the little town. I didn't have the video out, but They, all the people coming out of church were waving at us. People driving down the street are waving at us. I guess we're a big deal with our big rig going through their cute little town. So we are saying, thank goodness we are now back on a highway.
God, I'll tell you, I'm really not happy with RV Trip Wizard. They got me going some stupid little roads here that they're meant for like one vehicle or two small vehicles, not an RV, bus, and a vehicle, I'll tell you. My good God.
So, yeah, so the road was extremely beveled and wobbly and wiggly, and the bus was rocking. I wasn't taking video because I was just trying to pray we did find through it, and we did. But are you more relaxed now, hon?
Okay, now I'm on the highway.
That was definitely a butthole clenching one, right?
Yes, I'm watching this semi ahead of me here now.
So as we're stuck here in traffic,
See Bengals Stadium out there. See it in the left?
yeah, okay, Bengals Stadium.
Maybe. Not sure.
Maybe.
Don't hold us to that.
Beautiful city of Cincinnati. However, the traffic for a Sunday is horrific. So we were wondering if there's some sort of a
In 2 miles, continue onto I-75 north toward Dayton.
But looks like a cool city. We're passing through, but hope to visit another time. We are way out in the woods in Indiana, farmland, and we've got a horse and buggy. So I'm assuming it's Amish, and I'm sure we'll learn about that when we are here. Okay, here we are pulling into...
Now turn right and then turn left.
Thank you. We're pulling into the Rev Group, Fleetwood RV, and now we're just going to have to find out where we are supposed to go.
In a quarter mile, turn left onto East Belmont Road.
Here we are coming into the repair center for our dream machine, and we can pick any one of these spots here and get comfy. They've got hookups, electric and water, no sewer, but we'll be fine.
So here's our home for the next couple days, it looks like. Rev Group Service Center. Here to get the escape door fixed. All the bay doors have to be looked at. And the aqua hot electric is not working. And also the entry door is giving us fits. So we'll see what happens. Stay tuned. As you can see, we don't trust our bay doors right now, so we have duct tape all the way down either side of the coach.
So there's a little more to the story with the duct tape around the coach. After our first episode where the bay door came open when driving down 75 on our maiden voyage down to the Keys, we thought we had just left them unlocked. But unfortunately, it happened again to other bay doors, and we were on a country winding road, and it happened a fourth time. And then in another state, it happened a fifth time. And so I asked Ken to pull over at a rest stop, and I went and got the duct tape and I wrapped it around the entire bus because I was so worried about us harming someone or the doors getting sheared off or, something terribly bad happened.
So here's the duct tape coming down this side. Again, our electrical bay opened up on us on the highway today. There you go. Back this duct tape work. And then the water bay, that opens up, doesn't even lock it. That doesn't really lock, so that just flies open. And then our infamous escape door, which has come away from the body, we have that tape just to keep the water out. All right, everyone. We're at the Rev Group Service Center, and we ran out of fresh water, and I got to dump my tanks. So we are in the process of taking the dogs and put them in the pickup truck that's just air conditioned, and Barb's going to be there with them. And then I'm going to move the rig over to the dump station, fill up, do my thing, and come back. So the dogs are going cray-cray.
Morning, everybody. It's Thursday morning. I believe it's the 25th or the 26th of June. I'm not exactly sure. But we're still at the Fleetwood Service Center. We got a number called, and the Dream Machine's going to go in and have the escape door looked at, and also the bay doors looked at, the ones that keep popping open on us. It's pretty scary going down the highway, and next thing you know, you got somebody screaming at you that your bay door is open. So that has to be fixed, because I just don't feel safe driving down the road anymore. We'll see what happens. Hopefully they'll get it done today, and we can maybe get back on the road tomorrow. So we'll see what happens. I'll keep you guys informed. And there it goes, into the service bay. The technician is really cool. He says he'll probably have this thing knocked out today. Which would be wonderful.
Okay, so we have to spend the day without our bus as it's getting the emergency door leak fixed. So here's all the babies. Hi guys, is everybody okay? I know, it's gonna be a long, hard day, right? All right, here we go. So, as you can see, we have taken over our area at the Rev Group while our bus is being worked on for many, many hours. We kind of took chairs and put them in a circle so that the dogs can't get out, and Sabrina is relaxed now. Princess is sleeping, Gamma's roaming around, and Millie's here being a good boy. So luckily, and Kenny's being a good boy too. So we're in pretty good shape here, taking over.
Morning, everybody. It is Friday, June 26th. It's a beautiful morning here in Decatur, Indiana. We are going to get on the road this morning. We are done with the Rev Group Service Center. They took care of a couple things for us. They checked all of our baggage doors and adjusted them. They guaranteed us that they will not open up on us anymore. They fixed the lock on the wet bay. And the most important thing of all was that they repaired our escape door. The lock on the water door did not even work, so we had to have them repair that. But they came and they took the door off. Well, they took the door off. They opened the door up and they resealed it. They moved the pins, and they put it back in, and they relashed it, and they said we should not have any more problems with it. Who knows? And we'll go from there. We're coming back in October, so we'll see what happens when we're back here in October. All in all, it's been a great experience here. As a drop-in, you're kind of on the last list to get looked at. So we're here for Sunday night. They looked at us Thursday morning, and it's Friday now, and we're out of here. So we will see you at our next destination, which is going to be 1,000 Trails over in Jefferson, Ohio. Have a great day, everyone. See you.